In a dimly lit testing lab in Tokyo, a prototype is currently rewriting the laws of physics. For years, photographers have been caught in a tug-of-war. You either choose resolution and sacrifice speed, or you choose speed and sacrifice detail. But as we enter 2026, Sony is about to delete that compromise from existence. If you thought the 61-megapixel sensor of the A7R VI was the peak of full-frame imaging, you were wrong. The leaks coming out of the supply chain right now aren't just small updates. We are talking about an 80-megapixel stacked sensor that is designed to do one thing: kill medium format. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But it's not just about the megapixels. There is a new brain inside this camera, the Bionz XR2, and it's paired with a dual-layer AI processing unit that doesn't just track subjects, it predicts their intent. This is the first camera that knows what you're going to shoot before you press the shutter. If you are a professional landscape photographer, a high-end studio shooter, or a hybrid creator looking for the ultimate tool, stop your search. The A7R VI is the most aggressive move Sony has made in a decade. Why is Sony breaking their own rules? Why is this camera being called the A1 killer by internal testers? And most importantly, is this the camera that finally makes every other mirrorless body look like a toy? We are diving into the unconfirmed but highly credible specs, the revolutionary new sensor architecture, and the secret AI features that are about to change the way you see the world. The 80-megapixel stacked revolution. Let's address the elephant in the room, the sensor. For the first time in the R-series history, Sony is moving to a stacked CMOS architecture. This is a technology previously reserved only for the flagship A1 and the Speed Demon A9 series. Why does a landscape camera need a stacked sensor? Because of the Jello effect. High-resolution cameras usually have slow readout speeds, making the electronic shutter useless for anything moving. But the A7R VI's 80.1-megapixel stacked sensor is rumored to have a readout speed that is 5 times faster than its predecessor. This means you can shoot at 30 frames per second in 14-bit RAW at full 80-megapixel resolution. Let that sink in. You aren't just taking a photo, you are capturing a high-resolution data stream. Every blade of grass, every pore on a model's skin, every distant star, captured with a level of clarity that, until today, required a $30,000 Hasselblad or Phase 1 system. But Sony has a secret weapon for the pixel peepers. The new 16-frame high-resolution composite mode. By utilizing the upgraded 8.5-stop in-body image stabilization, the A7R VI can shift its sensor by half a pixel between shots. The result? A 320-megapixel file that contains so much data you could print a billboard and still see the texture of the ink. AI prediction. The camera with an instinct. The A7R VI introduced the world to the AI processing unit. It was good. It could recognize bugs, planes, and eyes. But the A7R VI is taking it into the realm of predictive analytics. The new AI engine doesn't just look for a human eye. It analyzes the entire skeletal structure and poses of the subject. If a bird is about to take flight, the camera recognizes the muscle tension in the wings and shifts its focus point priority before the bird even moves. For the US professional market, sports photography